Today, we're diving into the world of key fobs, specifically focusing on a replacement option for Buick Century, Regal, Rendezvous, Oldsmobile Intrigue, and Pontiac Aztek and Grand Prix models spanning from 2001 to 2007. This keyless entry remote, bearing the part number L2C0007T, is a complete package, including not only the fob itself but also the necessary electronics and a fresh battery to get you up and running right out of the box. Now, one of the standout features of this key fob is its versatility. It's designed to replace several part numbers, including 10335582-88, and is compatible with a range of FCC IDs and other specifications, such as 10335582, 10335583, 10335585, 10335586, 10335587, 10335588, and 9364556-4575. This broad compatibility ensures that it's likely to suit your specific vehicle model without any hassle. One of the key benefits of this key fob is its self-programmable functionality. With just one working key, you can easily program this fob yourself, saving you the time and expense of a trip to the dealership or a locksmith. This user-friendly feature adds a level of convenience that many car owners will appreciate. Now, let's talk about build quality. The key fob feels solid in the hand, with sturdy construction that inspires confidence in its durability. The buttons are responsive, providing tactile feedback with each press, and the overall design is sleek and ergonomic. Of course, like any product, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. While the self-programming feature is convenient, it does require that you already have one working key, so if you've lost all your keys, you may still need professional assistance. Additionally, while the compatibility list is extensive, it's always a good idea to double-check that this key fob is compatible with your specific vehicle make, model, and year before purchasing. In conclusion, if you're in need of a reliable replacement key fob for your Buick, Oldsmobile, or Pontiac vehicle from the early to mid-2000s, this complete keyless entry remote offers an affordable and convenient solution. With its broad compatibility, self-programming capability, and solid build quality, it's a worthy consideration for anyone looking to replace or upgrade their existing key fob. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.